Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Let's read a book about all kinds of sea creatures, and I wonder which one you would like to be. This book is called Whoosh, a watery world of wonderful creatures. Let's dive in. When you swim in the sea or splash in your bath, do you wonder what water creature you would like to be? Turn the page to see which amazing animals love water just like you. I am a playful dolphin leaping high out of the sea. I use my dolphin talk to keep in touch with my friends. Squeak, whistle, click, click, click. I am a water strider, but guess why I'm called the magic bug? I can race across lakes and ponds. My light body and long legs help me walk on water. Doesn't that seem like magic? Shh, I'm a great blue heron fishing for my supper. Silently, I keep watch through the ripples. Splash! In a flash, my long, strong beak catches a wriggling fish. Slurp! I swallow it whole. I'm a tired alligator, cruising and keeping cool in the river. When it's time for my nap, I flop onto the rocks and snooze the day away. I am a river otter pup. My mom pulls me into the chilly water for my first swimming lesson. Patiently, she teaches me to paddle and dive. Look at me float. I am an orca whale swimming up for air. When I breathe out through my blowhole, I send up a fountain of spray. Whoosh! I am a hermit crab hunting for a home. On the sandy seabed, I slip into an empty shell and settle down to stay. It feels just right. I am a baby elephant having a bath with my mom. It's been a long, hot walk to our favorite watering hole. So whoosh! That's cool! Spray me some more! I'm a clownfish, and I stay safe in the sea anemone's stinging tentacles. I flutter about and look out from my wavy hiding spot. Peekaboo! I am not just any penguin. I am an emperor penguin. When I go fishing with my friends, we love to slide on our sleek bellies and dive into the sea. Whee! I bet you can't guess that I am a shark, a tasseled Wobbegong Shark. I fool these fish, too, with my seaweed disguise. Still as a stone, I wait and wait at the bottom of the reef. Then, chomp, I catch my dinner. Water is precious to you, to me, to all living things. Can you think of ways that you use water? The end. Thank you so much for reading along with me. Which water creature would you love to be? I think for me, I would love to be the magical bug, the water strider, and walk on all kinds of lakes and ponds. Let me know in the comments below which creature you would like to be. Bye-bye.